Dear students of my channel Open Math Camp, welcome to my playlist which contains problems in beginning of algebra. By watching this playlist, you will learn from real examples how to transform complicated algebraic expressions and reduce these expressions into simple algebraic expressions. This skill is the foundation of any mathematician or student who studies science. This skill to simplify algebraic expressions is found in almost any mathematical problem. That's why this skill is very important. Problems of this playlist are divided into three groups. Level 1, easy level, and level 2, intermediate level, and level 3, hard level. The link to this playlist and all other playlists of this channel, Open Math Camp, you will find below in the description. Add my playlist and don't forget to subscribe and like us. Good luck!